Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're working on the shop. We've already got started moving stuff around. You can see the Jeeps here, lawnmower, four-wheeler. Moved the scaffolding, cleared it off. Also, let me move this out of the way. But we have moved the Furies and the 6.0 stock wheels and tires over here. Got them all stacked up. Got the hubcaps over there. Old bicycle. And then the 300 seat in the Jeep. Put some stuff in there. It's about to come out of here. Still puking on the floor. But put a 10th gen seat in here. Moved one over here. This oil we're going to take and dispose of it at a parts store. Get it out of here. Now we have some 5-gallon barrels, some lids we can put on these, take up there, let them dispose of that properly. Put some stuff over here. Got that all cleaned up. Need to clean the floor up, but we're about to do cab bushings on the 6.0. So this needs to come out. I think this is going to the garage on the house. That is staying in here because the roof on the garage at the house is kind of sketchy. I don't really care about 420, if we're being honest. If the roof falls on the 420, it will. I don't really care. I think it's a pain in my butt. We'll fix it one day, but I really don't care right now. Pull the propane bottle out. We're going to pull the heater out and get it set up. It's winter, 40 degrees in here right now. Instead of shorts and flip-flops like all the time, I got shorts, flops, and socks this time. So it's getting that time of year. But still kind of cluttered in here. Do some cleaning up. We're about to get rid of that. Move the heater. Get the propane bottle. Probably set the heater up over here where it's at. And we're going to move some of that stuff over here. That box is going in the Jeep. This four-wheeler wheel might go in the Jeep as well. But this is about to come out of here. Have some shop lights that fell down, 2 there and 1 here. So that's why we got the scaffolding cleared off. About to put those up. I think when we put those in, we sucked them up too much into the styrofoam, so they didn't latch all the way. And then the squirrels in the roof, in the attic, running around, and kind of knocked them loose. So we're gonna loosen those clips up a little bit. Let me turn this one off and I'll show y'all kind of what I'm talking about. But I think they're a little too far up in the styrofoam. I'll show y'all this one. You can kind of see it up there. Yeah, it's in the pulled up end of the styrofoam. And then that one, same way. So we're gonna loosen those off a little bit. Put those lights back up. As you can see, without the shop lights, it's kind of dark in here, especially in this corner because these don't work. But do that real quick. Thought I'd make just a shop update video. So we've been doing stuff in here. Just haven't filmed it. So anyway, working on that. So I'm gonna get back to work. Put some more stuff in here. This thing's getting pretty full. So a bunch of it's junk in here. About to put some more stuff in here. Get it out of here, out of the way. I think that's about it. So I'm gonna start moving stuff around. My grandpa's out there. He is seeing if we can put the lawnmower in the garage. So we'll have to see, but the 6.0 is about to get new cab bushings. So kind of rushing, trying to get this done, get that in here, get that knocked out. But I'm gonna get back to it, and I'll give y'all updates along the way. Alrighty guys, so four-wheeler's back in here, scaffolding's over there, lights are back up, all 6 of them. We haven't pushed the propane boiler here or set up the heater, but we're gonna pull the 6.0 in, do cab bushings, but floor's all clean, so we can pull this thing in here and get to work. Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. We'll get the cab bushings on the 6.0 done. Now we're worrying with the doors, or we're fighting with the doors. Aha. But the doors, these back doors rattle, so trying to fix that. We took some tape, electrical tape, down in there, wrapped around this part of the hinge where it's wore down on the doors. So we're gonna see if that fixed it. But we're about to run up here, do some stuff, and I'm gonna let that warm up a little bit. But got the garage cleaned out. We're about to put the lawnmower in here. So if y'all wondering what 420's been, here it is. And a bunch of some of the other stuff that come out of the shop. We need to re-roof this thing, but we're working on that. And it's getting the wrong time of the year to do it, so it is what it is. But we're gonna put the lawnmower right here, so get it in here and whatnot, get it out of the shop, and that'll also free up a lot more room, and I'll show y'all that later. But like I said, we're getting ready to go do some stuff, run a few errands, so I'll catch y'all another time, and I'll also show y'all where they're doing some clearing down there as well. Well, I'll actually show y'all that right now. I'm gonna take this down there, and I need to get some stuff out of the toolbox, so let's take this thing down there. This thing feels like it sits up taller with the new cab bushings, but I'm gonna show y'all that. A lot more out of there. Then we'll probably end out today's video, but let's run down there and see what we got. Alright, so he's got the lawnmower started up, about to pull it out. So I'm gonna wait till we get it out, show y'all, that way y'all can hear me. That's the bad thing about this thing being as loud as it is, with filming and stuff. But I will show y'all. As you can see, done some clearing. His brother Wayne come over here one day, pushed some dirt around, kind of leveled that off. Needed a lot more, but he got that looking real good for us. Had one slight issue with shop, but it's all good, so we can get that fixed one day. Needed to paint the shop anyway, but I'll show y'all that as well. But he did a bunch over here, did some over there beside the shop and over here, but I'll show y'all that here in just a second. Alright, so he's headed up there with the lawnmower. You can see there. But thought I'd show y'all in here real quick. It's cold. You can see my breath here. But anyway, something right on that over there. But you can see shop, lots of room, I absolutely love it. So, lawnmower's out of here. We just got the 4-wheeler, 69, those 2 sets of wheel tires I showed y'all the other day. Need to get this cleaned off, organized one day, and we still need to take that oil and have it disposed of. But have what's left of the 6.0 cab bushings. That's what they're supposed to look like. But let me come over here in this corner, show y'all a better picture. So we're making some extreme headway with this. If y'all remember, if some of my OG people will remember, I've had lots of new people this year, and I much appreciate it. But this shop was a complete disaster this time last year. So, New Year's Eve, we started on this, cleaning this up. But I mean, you can just see here, it's open. Beforehand, we couldn't have even got the 6.0 in here to begin with and shut the door. Same thing with the white truck. So, very happy with how this is turning out. My grandpa wanted to do this. Same thing with this. And we've been at it little bit by little bit. But you can see, got all this pushed up. Over here, same thing. Got this cleaned out. We can actually park a trailer in here now. But down through here, looks all nice. That board there, Wayne actually clipped the shop with the bucket on his tractor. I mean, it's not a big deal. So at the end of the day, it is what it is. We need to get these replaced where those rotted out from the trees. And then some of these cedar trees, we're going to cut into posts and build a lean-to onto the shop here for parking the tractors and stuff under. We'll get my great-grandpa's Alice under here. We'll get the Massey under here. And maybe some other stuff, depending on how much room we got. But we're moving along. So we're getting there, but winter is kind of slowing stuff down. We need to move this stuff. But over here, I'll show y'all as well. I don't know what he's doing, but Wayne also got this cleaned up too. So this is the Alice I was talking about. A lot of this car stuff, 4-wheeler stuff, needs to go somewhere. So what our plans is to just come down here and clean that out all the way down to probably the old white truck bed, or maybe even further. So anyway, I'm gonna shut down the shop for the day. I was gonna put this in another video because we are still planning on doing some more cleaning, but figured I'd just go ahead and throw it in here for y'all. But we're moving along slowly but surely. We're getting there. Goon Squad is working on their house, and I'll give it to them. This stuff, it's a lot of work, especially for 2 people. Me and my grandpa have been working on this in here for almost a year. Get everything cleaned up and whatnot. This shop really isn't big enough for everything that we do in here. So it's just trying to make everything work under a 30 by 40 building. So I love having the building. Makes life a lot easier. But one thing my grandpa's always said, you can never have a shop that's big enough. And I'll attest to that. So I'm gonna run up here, help him with, I don't know what he's got going. But anyway, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video. But anyway, guys, like I was saying, I had to do some stuff for this truck. The video of putting on the new wheels just went live. So I had to do some stuff for that real quick. But anyway, guys, like I said, this is going to be a wrap for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a great day.